The president now declaring the H1N1 outbreak a national emergency. The White House says the president signed this proclamation last night. It will allow medical officials to bypass certain federal requirements. Some officials describe this move as being similar to a declaration ahead of a hurricane making landfall, but certainly a heads up on the White House's front on this. For more on the president's H1N1 emergency declaration, we're going to MSNBC's Mike Vaquera live at the White House. So can you put this in perspective for us? You know, we hear these declarations before a hurricane makes landfall. They're national emergencies. It waives certain federal requirements. How does this work in a health situation like this?
Well, it's relatively rare for this to be declared in a health situation. We know this much because last April, when the H1N1 virus first came to the fore of public consciousness, a similar step happened. Federal officials were quick to point out that there's no reason for this to make anybody panic. This is simply something that we're doing in terms of preparation. A lot of it has to do with the logistics. Of course, it all happens in the context of a slow delivery of the H1N1 virus. Expectations were raised high. Everybody thought there would be more doses. You've been talking about it all morning, Alex, and now they're talking about November. The government thus far has blamed that on the manufacturers.